Good morning, guys. So, Sean and my dad went golfing this morning, and I'm uploading the vlog right now. It's like 6:50, and we went to bed at 9 o'clock last night because we were so exhausted. I don't really know why. We just went to a wedding yesterday, but anyway, I'm going into the living room to get Journey out for breakfast. She's been awake for a little while, but I don't know if she's still awake. It looks like she fell back asleep, so maybe I won't. Maybe I'll edit a little bit before. Whoa. Anyway, good morning. So we just got home from lunch, and Journey disappeared into her bedroom, and then Daddy followed her, and this is what we got.
Giddy up right now. Giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Whoa! Whoa!
Ride that fucking Bronco!
Giddy up, giddy up. Whoa! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Whoa! Turn! Go! 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 Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Throw it! Scared me a little bit. Stand back up. You gotta throw it. Throw it from there. Throw it! Good job! Yay, Journey! You're so close!
Oh, she threw it again!
Why are you crawling? Throw it! Good job! Throw it! Good job! Throw it! Throw it! So afraid. What are you doing? What? Ugh.
I think you could say she loves her daddy.
What are you doing?
You break your daddy kiss.
Oh, can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. You didn't give me a kiss. Mwah, thank you. You missed the first time. Oh, thank you for the kiss, Nala. We love Nala too, don't we, huh? Yeah, nah, Marie.
A dad and his girls.
Quit picking my ear. That's such a...
Hey everyone, so it's been a pretty relaxed, chilled, fun day today. This morning I went and golfed. Forgot to take shots while I was out doing that, but I didn't play wonderful, but I played expected. Then after that we just kind of came home, had lunch, just kind of hung out, and then Bailey and Journey went off to see Bailey's uncle. They have a home garden, so they always give us cucumbers and tomatoes. And while she did that, I went to Walmart, had to get a few groceries, and filled up the dog's pool outside. And now I'm just waiting on Nala to go to the restroom, and then we'll go inside and probably play PlayStation for a little bit till Bailey and Journey get home.
Are we at Shanny's house? You ready to go see Shanny? Some dinner, and Daddy's getting Journey up from the bath. She didn't really the bath. I said bath because of that sign. It says bath, but I meant nap. There she is, and her hair's already crazy. She hasn't even taken a nap.
You hungry?
You ready to go eat dinner? So KFC Long John Silver's was closed due to AC issues, so now we're heading to Popeyes. Oh, the options.
Okay, we want fries.
Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. Love you for 1,000 more.
Okay, is the sauce in there?
Yes, it's inside here.
Thank you.
We got our Popeyes. Someone's tired. Really? Someone else is tired. So we ate dinner and cleaned up the kitchen and stuff, and now Sean's vacuuming what Nala didn't eat off the floor. But honestly, we're not going to do anything else tonight except watch TV, so that's pretty boring. I know the vlog today probably was not real interesting either, but we didn't have a whole lot to do today, which is great because we normally have too much to do. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.